In this quick guide, you'll learn how to sync your Airbnb and VRBO calendars, ensuring that your booking schedules are always up to date and conflicts are completely avoided. Whether you're managing a single property or juggling multiple listings, keeping your calendars synchronized is crucial for smooth operations and satisfied guests. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your VRBO account. Once you're logged in, head over to your owner dashboard. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your listings, so it's always good to familiarize yourself with this space. From the dashboard, locate the calendar option. This will take you to the section where you can see all your bookings and availability at a glance. Now you need to find the import and export button. This is typically located at the top or side of your calendar interface. Clicking this button will present you with two options: import calendar and export calendar. For our purpose today, you want to select import calendar. This option will allow you to bring in your Airbnb calendar and seamlessly integrate it with your VRBO schedule. At this point, you'll need the Airbnb calendar link. To find this, go to your Airbnb account. In the calendar settings of your listing, look for an option that allows you to extract your calendar. This will generate a URL, which is essentially a web address that links directly to your Airbnb calendar. Copy this link carefully as it's crucial for the next step. With your Airbnb link copied, return to the VRBO import calendar window. Here, you'll paste the Airbnb calendar link into the provided field. It's a good practice to double check that the link is correct to avoid any sync errors. After pasting the link, you'll want to give this calendar a name. Naming it Airbnb is straightforward and helps you easily identify which calendar you're working with in the future. Next, choose a color for the calendar. This step might seem minor, but selecting a distinct color for your Airbnb calendar can be incredibly helpful. It visually separates bookings from different platforms, allowing you to see at a glance where each reservation is coming from. Once you've chosen a color, click on the import button to finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully synced your Airbnb and VRBO calendars. Now, any updates made on your Airbnb calendar will automatically reflect on your VRBO calendar, minimizing the risk of double bookings and ensuring a more streamlined booking process. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you. Keeping your calendars in sync is an essential part of managing your vacation rental efficiently. Don't forget to regularly check that the synchronization is working correctly and update any calendar settings as needed. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.